Thousands of fresh avocados arriving at the factory. Dark, ripe, perfect. Plunged into clean water. Washed and scrubbed until spotless. Now the crushing begins. Avocados broken. Mashed into a rich green paste. Thick, fresh, vibrant. The Malaxer takes over. Slowly churning. Releasing the precious oil. Hidden inside every avocado. The oil begins to separate. Then into the centrifuge. Spinning at high speed. Separating the oil from water and pulp. Pure, clean, green. The spent pulp pours out. Every last drop of oil. Already extracted. And then, pure avocado oil. Flowing into the bottle. Green, rich, liquid gold. From a fresh avocado to pure green oil. On your table.